Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14 Ultra and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one, which is on the left. And if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, for sure you're on the video mode. Now all we have to do is to take a look at this option bar at the top. Here we've got the resolution. You can change it just by tapping on this option. However, if you do not feel that this option is the most comfortable for you, you can simply unroll the kind of option bar just by swiping your finger down. And here we've got the resolution, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got 4 different options. So 720p, which is currently applied, it is notified here, 1080p, 4K or 8K. So just tap on the option and it will be immediately applied, which means that from now on your device will record the videos in chosen resolution, or as I said, you can change it right here just by tapping on the resolution. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.